with a big verdict that came in from the Supreme Court today. The Supreme Court today ruled that a person who professes a religion other than Hinduism, Sikhism or Buddhism cannot be a member of the scheduled caste. The two-judge bench, led by Justice P.K. Mishra, said conversion to another faith automatically ends a person's scheduled caste membership. The court upheld the Andhra Pradesh High Court's April 30, 2025 order, citing the Constitution's Order 1950. The bench noted that no constitutional or statutory benefits can be claimed by someone who, under Clause 3 of the 1950 order, is not recognized as a scheduled caste member, and there are no exceptions to that. The case involved Pastor Chintada Anand Paul, who had filed a complaint earlier under the Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribe Act alleging casteist abuse. The courts found that he had not reverted to his original religion, continued to practice Christianity, and served as a pastor for over a decade, holding regular Sunday prayers. The Andhra Pradesh High Court had earlier concluded that becoming a pastor requires conversion to Christianity, and since the petitioner here had already converted, he could no longer be considered a scheduled caste member. So a casteist abuse or a casteist harassment was out of the question. The bench also highlighted that the caste system is not recognized in Christianity, so protections under the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes do not apply accordingly. So here's a verdict that could set precedent, in fact has set precedent, that if you're not a Hindu or a Buddhist, then you cannot claim benefits under the SC/ST